Hello, YouTube friends and family. I was going to do it as one haul, but I decided to break it up. So, have you ever went to return something and end up spending more than you return? Okay, that's what I did at Burlington. So those shorts from my last Burlington haul, I took them back and got a store credit. A bit too long, but they gave me all my money back in the store credit. So I thank you. Burlington is good for that. Okay, so I did get some more stuff from Burlington. So I actually got. I'm gonna try this and see if I like this. But they have rice paper wrappers on clearance. No cooking, just dip, wrap, and roll. And it was on clearance, was from $2.99 to $2.39. And I want to give these a try. Plant-based, halal, and certified HACCP, whatever that means. And I did not read the... Oh, shoot. What the what? I don't know. It says tapioca starch, rice, and salt. But why they put this warning on here? Warning for cancer and reproductive harm on the food? What the what? When it's only tapioca stuff? Child, I'm going to have to do some research. I don't know. I'm a little bit disturbed by that. What? I don't know. They trying to just, if they don't want us here, just blow the world up. I mean, god darn. Okay, so, woo, if you know what all this means, please put it, I try, but I can't know everything, and I ain't trying to know everything. So if you know what all that meant on some rice paper wrappers with 3 ingredients, please tell me in the comments below. So they had avocado oil, and this is 100% pure avocado oil product of Mexico. It is a 25.3 ounce bottle, and it has no additive, preservatives, light, and taste. And it was $10.99. So this is a nice, decent sized bottle of avocado oil. And then this little TikTok viral sensation, not that I needed another cleaning item, but I saw it in Burlington and I said, let me give it a try because it's cheaper than it would be online. And it is the CIF cream cleanser. And I wanted to try it. And it was only $3.99 for this big bottle in the lemon scent. And it is remove 101 stains with one product. So I wanted to give that a try. And it is 23.28 ounces. So I did grab that. And then I shopped for my brother. So they had this for my brother. And they had... oh gosh, I kicked myself in the face. Nautica little slides. We in Florida. We wear these all year. And they were $10. Size 12. $10. He didn't answer the phone because otherwise you wouldn't have been seeing these. I'd have took them straight to him. And then I got him some shirts that they just put out. And they had just put these out. And they were these size 4X. And they were $7.99. So this says faith. Jesus is King. And I got him that shirt. And then I got him this little shirt. And it says, walk by faith, not by sight. And it is a 4X, and it was $7.99. Because I was leaving the ones $8.99, $9.99. I was just getting the cheapest ones I could find. So I did get him some a couple of items because his birthday's coming just like mine. So, but I'll give it to him early, and I'll give him something else too for his birthday. And that is it. That is it. That's the Burlington haul, and I end up spending like $40 there. $40. What else? I think I'm missing something. I might be missing a bag. 10, 20. I guess not. 30. Because I had to spend $10 out my pocket. But I guess that is it. And it's $2 over here. So, yeah, that's it. You see, these hauls getting light. Things is changing. But do catch my other hauls. I think I'm behind on uploading, so no telling when you're going to see this one. But I'm going to get some out this evening for the weekend. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Watch out for these hurricanes. Start paying attention. Start keeping track. It's one in the ocean that they kind of concerned about. So let's pay attention. And as always, prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.